Now we're going to hear the second story of the company BSH, this time by Yuri Pešec.
It was December 2013. The marketing department visited us and we were talking about plans for next year. Graphs and numbers of appliances put a smile on our faces, except of one. After a few minutes of silence, the marketing director stood up and said, "Boys, we need a new food processor, which won't be only a design relaunch, but will also give you more function. We need something that will be wow. But of course, price should stay at the same level." 1 month later, we received the offer with estimated cost if the development and production of new food processor would happen in Asia. Of course, we wanted to develop and produce it in Slovenia. We accept the challenge and our innovation process began. The materials for components of appliances are often not cost optimized, depending on the function. For better understanding, the material must have a nice surface and has to be strong enough to resist mechanical loads. Plus, it needs some same price as the material that only needs the nice surface. This means that material which only need a nice surface are simply too expensive. A similar story are mechanical loaded materials. For a certain type of load, cheaper materials are not strong enough. On the other side, more expensive materials have strength over dimensions. With selection and mix of optimal materials, we were searching for an optimal combination of performance and price. We managed to find it by carefully selection of cost-effective materials, optimization manufacturing process, and design of the appliance. Those ideas represent the know-how for the new appliances which will be developed in the future. Despite of technical optimization, we managed to produce a wow appliance. The proof is the red dot designed award 2016. Our innovation also has a message. Even though most of the lower cost segment products are developed and produced in China, we can also do it in Slovenia if we are innovative enough. Thank you.
Thank you. The rest of the team, please join us on stage. And we have one more after this. And the prizes? Thank you very much.